What if your kidneys were silently failing right now and you had absolutely no idea? Here's the scary part. Kidney disease often shows no symptoms until nearly 90% of kidney function is already gone. No pain, no warning, no second chance. But tonight, you're about to discover something surprising. According to recent studies, certain bedtime drinks may help support kidney filtration, reduce inflammation, flush toxins, and protect your kidneys while you sleep. And the number one drink on this list costs almost nothing. Yet doctors say it may be the most important one of all. Stay until the end because one mistake people make before bed could quietly damage their kidneys over time. Before we begin, tell us in the comments where you're watching from. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health content that could literally save your life. Now, let's get started. The problem. Why kidneys fail silently. Your kidneys filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day. They remove toxins, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and keep your body alive 24/7. But modern habits are destroying them. Too much salt, too little water, poor sleep, high blood pressure, hidden inflammation. And because kidney damage happens slowly, most people don't notice it until the condition becomes dangerous. That's why supporting your kidneys before bed matters so much. Nighttime is when your body enters repair mode, and these drinks may help your kidneys recover while you sleep. Let's start with one of the most underrated kidney drinks on earth. 11. Cucumber water. Cucumber water may seem simple, but it's incredibly effective for hydration. Cucumbers are over 95% water and contain potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to kidney damage. One study found cucumber extract helped lower creatinine and urea levels, both important markers linked to kidney stress. To make it, slice half a cucumber into filtered water and let it sit for about an hour. Drink it 30 minutes before bed. It hydrates your kidneys gently without overwhelming them, but the next drink has been used for centuries as a natural kidney cleanser. 10. Barley water. Barley water is one of the oldest natural remedies for kidney support. It acts as a gentle diuretic, helping your body flush out toxins and excess minerals through urine. Research published in the International Journal of Green Pharmacy showed that barley water helped reduce calcium and oxalate levels, two major causes of kidney stones. To prepare it, boil 2 tablespoons of pearl barley in 4 cups of water for 30 minutes. Strain the liquid and drink 1 cup before bed. It's gentle, soothing, and may help reduce stress on your kidneys overnight. Now let's move to something most people already drink, without realizing its kidney benefits. 9. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea isn't just relaxing, it may also help protect your kidneys. Chamomile contains antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, both heavily linked to kidney damage. In one study, people with mild kidney problems showed improved kidney markers after regularly consuming chamomile tea. And here's something important. Better sleep itself supports kidney repair. To make it, step 1, chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it 30 minutes before bed. Simple, calming, powerful. But the next drink may surprise you, because it's sitting in kitchens everywhere, yet almost nobody uses it for kidney health. 8. Parsley tea. Parsley tea is a hidden gem for kidney support. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body remove excess salt, waste, and fluids. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found parsley significantly increased urine output, helping flush toxins from the body. To make parsley tea, boil a handful of fresh parsley in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm. You can add lemon for taste. Used a few nights each week, parsley tea may help support your kidneys naturally. But now we're entering the drinks with even stronger anti-inflammatory power. 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of the best natural drinks for fighting inflammation. And inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of healthy kidneys. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerol and shogal that help protect tissues from oxidative damage. In a study published in Renal Failure, ginger extract improved kidney function markers and reduced kidney damage in diabetic subjects. To prepare it, slice fresh ginger root and simmer it in water for about 10 minutes. Drink it warm before bed. It also improves digestion and reduces bloating, giving your body even more support overnight. And the next drink may be the most powerful anti-inflammatory drink on this list. 6. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also called golden milk, may help protect kidneys from long-term damage. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for reducing inflammation and tissue scarring, and kidney scarring is one of the main reasons kidney disease becomes permanent. Studies have shown curcumin may improve filtration markers and reduce protein leakage into urine, a warning sign of kidney damage. To make golden milk, warm 1 cup of milk and mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric plus a pinch of black pepper. Drink it about 1 hour before bed. It's calming, warm, and deeply nourishing. But now we move to something that protects kidneys by stopping infections before they spread. 5. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice helps protect your urinary tract, and that matters because untreated urinary infections can spread to the kidneys. Cranberries contain compounds that stop harmful bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. Studies show regular cranberry consumption may reduce recurring urinary tract infections significantly. But there's one important rule. Avoid sugary cranberry juice cocktails. Choose 100% pure unsweetened cranberry juice. Drink a small amount mixed with water before bed. And now we're entering the top 4, starting with one of the simplest kidney-protecting drinks in the world. 4. Lemon water. Lemon water may help prevent kidney stones naturally. Lemons contain citric acid, which helps stop calcium crystals from forming inside the kidneys. Research found that people who drank lemon juice regularly experienced nearly a 50% reduction in kidney stone recurrence. To make it, squeeze half a lemon into warm water. Drink it slowly about 30 minutes before bed. It's especially helpful after salty meals when your kidneys are working harder than normal. But the next drink helps your kidneys by lowering one dangerous hidden problem: high blood pressure. 3. Hibiscus tea. High blood pressure quietly damages the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys, and hibiscus tea may help reduce that pressure naturally. Studies found hibiscus tea helped lower systolic blood pressure by over 7 points in some people. That's important because healthier blood pressure means less kidney stress. To prepare it, steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm or cold before bed. Now we're down to the final 2. And number 1 is probably already inside your home right now. 2. Dandelion root tea. Dandelion root tea supports natural detoxification by increasing urine flow and helping the kidneys flush out waste more efficiently. It also contains antioxidants and prebiotic fiber that may reduce inflammation. Simply simmer dried dandelion root in water for about 15 minutes and drink before bed. It's a simple traditional remedy that still holds value today. And now, the number 1 bedtime drink for kidney health. 1. Water nothing protects your kidneys more powerfully than water. Without enough hydration, waste builds up, stones form, and kidney function slowly declines. Research shows chronic dehydration increases the risk of kidney stones and long-term kidney damage. But here's the key. Don't overdrink before bed. A small glass of water about 30 minutes before sleep is enough to support overnight filtration without interrupting your rest. Water may not be trendy, but your kidneys depend on it every single day. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these bedtime drinks are you going to try tonight? Tell us in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it.